Hi guys, so I know I haven't made a video in a really long time. I think the last time I posted was like before Christmas or like right before Christmas. I don't really have an excuse. I just didn't feel like filming. I just didn't feel like posting. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my January unboxing. It's my first video of 2019 and my first Boxycharm of 2019, so I'm pretty excited. I already did pretty much all my face makeup because I already know what's in the box. I always look at the spoilers, so yeah, let's just get right into the box. So this month's theme is Boxy and Chill. My card got a little bent, and I got variation number 4, just if you're curious. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. It's a mouthful. Strength plus moisture leave-in mask. It's a little like leave-in conditioner spray. This is the travel size. It's not full size, so but this little travel size retails for $16, and this stuff smells so good. I used this the other day when, like, right after I got out of the shower. I brushed my hair and then I sprayed this on the ends because my hair gets pretty dry. This stuff like really helped with my dry frizzy hair, because after I sprayed this and brushed my hair, I don't blow dry my hair either, so I just let it air dry. And after it air dried, my hair was so soft. It wasn't frizzy. So I love this stuff, and I definitely will be buying the full size because this is like a miracle for my hair. The next thing is from Starlux. It's a Ultra Luxe Longwear eye pencil. I got mine in the shade brown. Take the little plastic off of it. This is what the eye pencil looks like. I think it's a retractable. Yeah, it's a retractable. That's what it looks like. Mine is in the shade brown, if I didn't already say that. Let's swatch it. Feels pretty creamy. It went on pretty nice. But yeah, it's just a basic brown. I think this would be nice in like the waterline, or put it on like the top lash line and smoke it out a little bit. So this eyeliner retails for, if I can find it, wow, this is $19. I'm sure it's nice, but I definitely would not pay $19 for a little retractable eyeliner, because there's brands like Essence or like Wet n Wild and Elf and, you know, stuff like that at the drugstore that has pretty good eyeliners. So I'm pretty excited for these. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. You get 2 of them. I've always wanted to try Tatcha, but their skincare is so expensive, but I know it lasts for a long time. I know they use like super good ingredients and stuff like that. These retail for $24, so they're $12 like a piece. Like if just for one is $12, but together it's $24. I'm obviously not gonna use these today because I already did my makeup. I want to wait till like there's a day where my skin is super extremely dry to try this. So the next thing that I'm kind of not like upset about, but it's the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Havana Nights, and I already have this shade. I got this when I ordered from Kale Polish, when because she has the Miami Fever and Havana Nights nail polish like set. If you buy them in the set, you get a free lipstick in Havana Nights or either Miami Fever, and I got Havana Nights, and I was hoping to get Miami Fever because it's just a really pretty shade. This is pretty too. It's just like a nice deep burgundy color, and in my spoiler for Boxycharm it showed I was getting a Bite lipstick, but when I opened this, when I got it, I got the Ofra lipstick, and of course it's the Havana Nights shade. I kind of wish I would have gotten the Miami Fever one because I don't have that one, and I really like that color, but oh well, doesn't matter. So this lipstick retails for $20, which is a pretty good price. And then the last thing is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3, and I'm also kind of a little upset about this because I already have this palette. I found this palette at Burlington, think it was Burlington. I got it for way cheaper than the original price, which is like, this retails for $36, and I think I found it for like 15 or like maybe 20, around somewhere around that price range. So yeah, I already have this, but I'll just give the extra one to my mom. So, but this is what the outside packaging looks like. It's like almost like fish, like mermaid scales, or like, kind of reminds me of like peacock feathers. It's super pretty. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. There we go. The packaging is really reflective. It's pretty much all shimmers. There's only one matte, which is this one. And I know a lot of people were complaining about that. I think it's a beautiful palette, and I feel like you could use this for a super like glowy, bronzy, like natural eye look. Okay, so I just found mine, and it was actually $24.99, which, I mean, isn't that bad of a price. It was still, you know, discounted from $36. But yeah, I found this at Burlington one day, and I snatched it up real quick. I didn't even know what the palette looked like on the inside. I just grabbed it because Tarte is one of my favorite brands, and I've always wanted one of their little round palettes. So okay, so I just primed my eyelids with a little bit of concealer. I actually used the new e.l.f. 16-hour camo conceal, and right before I filmed this, I did film a first impression with this, but this Boxycharm video will be going up before this, so just stay tuned for that video because I will be posting it soon. I'm gonna go into the shade. It's really hard to show this palette because it's so reflective. I'm gonna go into this shade, I think it's called Tiki. I'm gonna go in with this shade. It's called Tiki. It's the only matte in the palette. It's like a really nice light transition shade. Now, if you have like a medium or deeper skin tone, I don't really know how well this would show up as a transition shade on your skin tone, which kind of sucks because I know there was 2 other palette variations, and a lot of people seem to be getting this one, the volume 3, and I personally don't think it's suited for every skin tone, which kind of sucks. So yeah, I'm just going in with that Tiki shade in the crease. This might even not show up that well. It is pretty light. But this palette is like a really like natural looking palette, so I'm obviously not gonna be doing any like crazy look. I'm just gonna keep it pretty natural because that's all I can really do with this palette, which doesn't bother me. I think this palette is super pretty, and there are days where I just want a nice light color like this in the crease and just a shimmer on the lid, and I'm good to go. So a pretty nice transition shade for my skin tone, and like I said, it kind of does suck that this isn't suitable for every skin tone because it is pretty light. It's even pretty light on me, so that is a bummer. Okay, so now that I have that built up in my crease, it's still pretty light, but that's okay. It's just gonna be a pretty natural look. So now I think I want to go in with the shade Jewel, this like really pretty like bronzy shade. So I'm just gonna dip into that Jewel shade. I don't think I'm gonna spray my brush. If I need to, I will. I'm gonna put that on like the outer corner part. That shade is really pretty. It's just like a nice bronzy gold. I'm just gonna put this on pretty much most of the lid, and then I'm gonna put a lighter shade on the inner part. Okay, so now that I have that Jewel shade where I want it, I'm just gonna take that same brush I was using but use the other side, and I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here. It's called Escape. It's right next to Tiki. It's like a light champagne gold-ish. Put that on like the inner part of my lid. My cat decided she wanted to come say hi. This is Platinum, my little baby. She's so cute. My other baby is in, you can't see her in the background, but my red-nosed pit is sleeping on the bed as always. She sleeps all the time. She's super lazy. So now I think I'm gonna take the shade Treasure, which is right in between Jewel and Escape, this like really light, almost like white shade, and I'm gonna just use that to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. Ooh, that's really pretty as an inner corner highlight. And a brow bone highlight. That's super pretty. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes. So I'm just, oh, actually, before I put on mascara and lashes, I totally forgot about the eyeliner. Oh, that went on pretty creamy. It's just a really nice light brown. Ow, I poked myself in the eye with it. Okay, so that's the eyeliner on my waterline. I kind of want to maybe take it on my top lash line and like maybe smudge it out a little bit. Okay, so I just took that same liner and I put it on my top lash line and I smudged it out a little bit. I feel like that gave the look like a little more dimension to it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go put on some mascara, lashes, and I will be back to put on the lipstick. Okay, so mascara and lashes are on. If you're wondering, I use the Salon Perfect 614s. You can get these at Walmart. They're like super long and wispy. They're like my favorite lashes ever. So yeah, this is what the eyes look like. I really like this palette. I think it's super pretty and you can get a really nice natural looking look out of it. I know it's kind of hard to see like with these lashes on. So now onto the Ofra liquid lipstick. Like I said, I got the shade Havana Nights. I'm actually just gonna quickly line my lips with the Kylie Leo lip liner because it's pretty much like an exact shade match, and with dark shades like this I like to have a lip liner as like a guideline. So I'm just gonna put this on and put the lipstick on and I'll be right back. Okay, so the lipstick is on now. I just took my hair down and fixed it. So yeah, this is what the lipstick looks like. Hopefully I don't have any on my teeth. It's such a really pretty like deep, it's a really pretty deep burgundy like wine color. I love this lipstick. It is so pretty, and I just feel like it makes my eyes look like really green, or even more green. So yeah, that's what the eyes look like. Really pretty, natural, bronzy, like everyday eye, and with the lipstick. But yeah, that was everything in my January 2019 box. I liked everything. I love the palette. I love this lipstick. It's just so pretty and it's very me. I love dark, deep shades. I could wear this shade like every single day. The eyeliner's okay. That's not even the eyeliner. That's the lip liner that I used. The eyeliner's okay. Like I said, I don't think I would ever spend $19 or $20 on it, but I mean, it is a good eyeliner. The Briogeo like leave-in conditioner spray or whatever, this is so good. It smells super good. It makes my hair like not frizzy. It makes it super soft. So I'm definitely gonna buy a full size of this whenever I run out of this little travel size. I'll have to try the Tatcha masks a different day. Like I said, I want to wait till like maybe I have a like super dry skin day, since it is winter now in Washington. It's been pretty cold lately, so my skin's been really dry. So like I said, I like the palette. I liked everything. I think this was a pretty good box. I think it could have been maybe better, but I still like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.